Going to be a very informative one for you guys. We are going to talk about VPN and HTTP websites. You must have heard like companies like NordVPN and ProtonVPN. They always keep advertising that you should always stay connected to a VPN when you are in a public Wi-Fi or public network. So how do they protect your data against hackers or your privacy from your ISP, and how easy it is for a hacker to like steal all your credentials? We are going to find out that today in a practical manner. I am going to show you everything, like how easily I can get someone's password and how VPN can save us from getting our credentials leaked. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll first find out my IP, which has been assigned to me by my DHCP server. For that, you need to give the command and responsive, and you can see I'm connected to my wireless router, so has my WLAN interface, which is my Wi-Fi interface, and here's my IP. This is my private IP. Take a note of that. And I am going to use Wireshark for capturing the traffic. I'll go into WLAN 0 interface, and you can already see there's some spikes here, which denotes that some traffic is going in or out of our computer. And the moment I start capturing, you can see this screen, this viewport getting filled with all sorts of random traffic. We don't need to see all this traffic, so we are going to apply some filtering. I just select my IP address, and now I can see all the traffic related to my IP address, which either is sent from my computer to some computer or from some computer to my computer. Okay, I'll just restart, and this was just a basic of what Wireshark is. Now I'm going to add a different filtering, and we just want to see the HTTP method packets. Okay, so whenever you access a web page, you send your data via HTTP methods. There are two types of methods in general. One is get and one is post. When you are asking something from the web server, like you want to see the web page in your browser, you send that request using a get method, and to that request the web server responses with all the HTML data, and which is rendered in your browser. But like when there is a form, like something like a login form or a sign up form in your page, the data you put inside that form, it is sent using a post method. Generally, the data sent in a get method is visible in the URL of the browser. Let's start let's open a browser. So I'm going to go to Google. Let's say if you are searching something here, and when you're clicking on these links, you're sending this URL you are sending to be placed over via a get method, and all the data the header part of the data is visible in the URL. According to this URL, the web server provides you some data. Now we cannot send our login username and password using a get method because it will be visible in the URL and it's not relevant. So generally in login forms we send the data using post method. I'm going to quickly search some HTTP web pages by using a Google Doc. Here we got some. Going to go into this page, and whenever you visit HTTP web page, you can find that it gives a notification here that your connection to the site is not secure. This is basically because the prefix is HTTP. They don't have any SSL, so it's not safe, and they are using HTTP connection. This is their link, and you generally get a login form or sign up form, any type of form with input boxes in any type of website. So what happens when you input your data in this form? It is sent using a post method to the web server. I'm going to show you by inspecting the form. These are my input boxes. Here must be a form somewhere. This is a very bad web page design, by the way. Yeah, here we got our form. They put everything in the form, which is not ideal. And as you can see, the method of the form is post. So whatever data travels from this input box to the web server, it is going to the post method, so it will not be visible in the URL. And this after the data is getting fetched from this input boxes, it is going to be like processed in this page in the web server. Okay, so that's the basics of a form and how the data is sent. Now let's get back to Wireshark. So I'm just going to filter the HTTP methods. HTTP request methods. Now I can see everything related to HTTP methods. I'm going to start the capturing again, and I'm going to go and refresh this page again. See, as soon as we visited the web page or refresh the web page, we can see two HTTP get methods. Basically, their icon of this website is stored somewhere in the website, and we are getting the icon in our browser using this method, and we are getting the home page, this full page, using this method. And when you click on any packet, Wireshark shows you basically all the data about the packet from all the layers of network: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and application layer. And if I expand this packet, you can see that what data we are sending to the web server. We are sending our browser region and all sorts of different data, and in header we are also sending what we want from the web server as a request. And when we send this request, the web server sends us a response. We can see it here by following the TCP stream. So we requested this part which is marked in red, and the server responds us that yes, the page is found, and it sends all the details about the server. So Microsoft server and ASP.NET web server, and it gives us the full web page which is being rendered in our browser. Okay, let's now try to input something in the login form. Say I'll get my name here and any password, suppose 12345 and see what happens when I click on this login button. In this same process you log into any website, and this exact thing happens in any website. So see what happens carefully when I press the login button. As soon as I press the login button, we'll see that all our details are being sent to the web server using a post method. That's why we are not seeing our username and password in the link. It's getting sent in the body. Now if we click on this packet, we can see everything about the packet, and if I come here in the form, I can see what data I have sent to the form. It's non-encrypted, it's visible in clear text. But if it was a HTTPS website, all of this data would have been encrypted and none of it could have been read by any hacker or anyone. So as you can see, I got my password and username easily from that form. Now what happens when we use a VPN? I will quickly connect to a VPN. You can use any VPN. For this video I am going to be using Proton VPN. Can I be your superhero? And I am connected to the VPN. Now I am going to repeat these same steps again. I'll stop and restart the capturing mode for VPNs. I'll refresh the page once. Now the first time when we refresh, we would be able to see our computer sending a GET request to get the web page, but now we cannot see any GET request, GET methods. This is because we are sending what we want to do to the VPN server, and the VPN server is contacting with the web page, and the response it's getting from the web page is being sent to us from the VPN server. We are not directly contacting the web server. So I will try to log in again, and say I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 as password. See, again I'm not getting any GET methods here. So this is how a VPN totally hides all your credentials and other data. So it is recommended that you use a VPN always in a public network, or whenever you are visiting an HTTP website. That's all for today. I'll try to come up with some more interesting topic in the next video. Thank you.